Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on your Lenovo V15 laptop. If you just finished setting up your laptop, then first of all you're gonna have to go to the Start menu, open Settings here, then go to Windows Update section on the sidebar and scroll down to Advanced Options. Go to Optional Updates and check if you have any driver updates here. If you just set up your PC, then surely you're gonna have a couple here. Just expand the drivers updates menu like this, hit the checkbox next to the drivers you want to download and click download and install all, and then you can wait until your device installed all these drivers. Then you're gonna have to restart your computer, clicking restart now. However, there are some specific Lenovo drivers that cannot be downloaded and installed here, and to download and install them you're gonna have to download the Lenovo Vantage application. You can download it right from the Microsoft Store, so you don't have to open any websites, no nothing. Just open the Microsoft Store and search for Lenovo Vantage application. Here it is, open it. Now what you have to do is click download right below it and just wait until this application is downloaded. Okay, and once the application is downloaded, open it. I'm not sure why I have it in Polish, since I only have English language on my system. Okay. Just click OK and click yes, and wait until the application starts fully running. Once it installs all the additional components needed for this app. Okay, and now choose the agreements that you agree with and click the agree to the license agreement and click accept and continue. Then what you have to do is, well, first let me change the language somehow. Okay, excuse me, but I couldn't do this. So what you have to do is expand this menu and then open the system update menu from the list, then select search for updates and wait until the application finds for any updates for your device. Okay, and in my case there were no updates that this app was able to find, but in case it finds any, you'll see the icon says download and install all, and unless you don't want to install all the updates, just click install all and they'll all be downloaded and installed automatically. Probably once you install them all, you're gonna have to restart your computer. However, if you want to uncheck some checkboxes, then you can also do this and install only the drivers that you need or that you want to install. So once the drivers are installed, you're gonna have to restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, the the drivers update will be complete. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.